Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create collections in Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account. Then on the left panel, click on Products. Then click on Collections. On the top right corner, click on Create Collection. In this new tab, you can add your collection title, your collection description, collection image, and other necessary info. You can also choose how you want to add products to your collections. Manual allows you to add products one by one, and Smart is when your future products that match the conditions of this collection is automatically added. After choosing, you can start adding your products right here. You can also choose to edit how your collection will show on search engines. Once you're done, just click on the Save button down here. And that is how you can easily create collections in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.